In today's video, I'll show you how to edit your WooCommerce cart page. Customizing this page can enhance the user experience and add a touch of your brand's personality, making a real difference for your customers. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard and navigating to the Appearance section. Click Editor and open the cart page template. If your cart page still uses the WooCommerce cart shortcode, it's time to remove it. While shortcodes work for basic functionality, replacing them with the cart block gives you more flexibility and advanced customization options. Use the block inserter to add the cart block to your page. Once added, you'll see a wide range of settings. You can display or hide elements like coupons, cross-sell recommendations, and totals to best fit your business model and your customers' needs. This is a great way to streamline the checkout process and remove unnecessary distractions. Next, consider customizing the empty cart message and layout. A friendly, engaging message can encourage users to explore your store or highlight bestseller products to catch their interest. You can also add extra blocks for trust-building elements like testimonials or trust badges, which can help reduce cart abandonment. Adding branding elements ensures your cart page feels cohesive and consistent with your site. Once you're happy with all the changes, make sure to save and publish the page. Double check that everything looks and functions as intended so your live site reflects all the improvements. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce cart page to improve the shopping experience and showcase your brand. Even small tweaks can make a big difference in how users interact with your store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.